News on Point, where you get your latest news twice daily. A police recruit collapsed during training, dies. A teenager shot and killed in Portmore. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A trainee police constable is now dead after reportedly collapsing during training at the National Police College of Jamaica in Twickenham Park, St. Catherine on Wednesday. Reports are that the police recruit was engaged in physical activity when he collapsed. He reportedly died on his way to hospital. The Waterford police in Portmore, St. Catherine, are searching for the killer of a 19-year-old resident on Wednesday night. The deceased has been identified as Tyrese DeHoore, otherwise called African, unemployed of Laburnum Crescent, Portsmouth, St. Catherine. According to the reports, about 8:30 p.m., Tyrese was standing on the road conversing with others when a silver Toyota Fielder motorcar drove up. Shots were fired from the vehicle, hitting Tyrese repeatedly. He was taken to the Spanish Town Hospital, where he was pronounced dead.